Welcome students to Shet Vidya Mandir English High School SSC online audio video lessons. I am Nidhi Srivastava. Today I am going to teach you subject General Science for 8th standard chapter number 11 part 1 Human Body and Organ System. Respiration. All the vital processes which are essential properties of living beings are collectively called as life processes. Energy is essential to operate all the life processes in human body. Energy production occurs within the cells. Cells need the supply of soluble nutrients and oxygen for this purpose. This supply takes place with the help of respiratory and circulatory systems. See, this is the image which shows respiratory system of human body. Respiration is carried out through following 3 steps. External respiration. It includes 2 sub-steps. A, inspiration, that is inhalation. Number B, expiration, that is exhalation. Number 2, internal respiration. And number 3, cellular respiration. So we are going to see these topics in details. Number 1, external respiration. A, inspiration or inhalation. Air is taken in through nose and sent towards the lungs through trachea, windpipe. B, expiration, that is exhalation. Oxygen from the inspired air goes into blood. Blood carries the carbon dioxide from various parts of body towards lungs. The air is given out by exhalation. Both of these processes occurring with the help of lungs are collectively called as external respiration. See, this is the image which shows internal respiration and external respiration. Now, internal respiration. Exchange of gases between cells and tissue fluid is called as internal respiration. Oxygen moves from blood into tissue fluid and carbon dioxide moves from tissue fluid into blood. Number 3, cellular respiration. Dissolved nutrients like glucose are slowly burned, that is oxidized, with the help of oxygen and energy in form of ATP. ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate. Waste materials like carbon dioxide and water vapors are produced during this process. Cellular respiration can be summarized as follows. Glucose plus 6 oxygen equals to 6 carbon dioxide plus 6 water plus energy 38 ATP. Next topic is respiratory system, structure and function. Number 1, nose. Respiratory system and respiration begins with nose. Air is filtered with the help of hair and mucus present in the nose. Number 2, pharynx. Food pipe and windpipe originate in the pharynx. Windpipe is present in front of the food pipe. There is a lid at the beginning of windpipe. This lid closes the windpipe during passing of food into food pipe and thereby normally prevents the entry of food particles into windpipe. Hence, air passes through pharynx into windpipe. See, this is the image of alveoli. Windpipe. Windpipe is swollen at the beginning due to sound box. Windpipe bifurcates in the thorax. One branch enters the right lung and the other into left lung. Lungs. A lung is present on either sides of heart in thoracic cavity. Maximum area of thoracic cavity is occupied by lungs and that they cover the maximum part of heart. Each lung has double layered covering. It is called as pleura. Lungs are elastic like a sponge. Lungs are made up of many small compartments called as alveoli. Rich network of capillaries is present around each alveolus. See, this is the image of lungs, which shows inspiration, that is breathing in, and exhalation, that is breathing out. Now, exchange of gases in lungs. Gaseous exchange occurs continuously while blood is circulating around the alveoli. An iron-containing protein, hemoglobin, is present in the RBCs, that is red blood corpuscles of blood. Hemoglobin absorbs the oxygen from air within alveoli. Simultaneously, carbon dioxide and water vapors move from blood into the alveoli. Thus, oxygen is taken into the blood and carbon dioxide and water vapors are removed from the blood and given out by exhalation, that is breathing out. See, this is the image of alveolus gas exchange. This is first image shows alveoli and second image shows the process of gas exchange. Next is diaphragm. A muscular partition is present at the base of thoracic cage. This partition is called as diaphragm. It is present between thoracic cavity and abdominal cavity. Simultaneously, rising up of ribs and lowering of diaphragm causes the decrease in pressure on lungs. Due to this, air moves into the lungs through nose. When ribs return to their original position and diaphragm rises up, pressure on the lungs increases. Due to this, air moves out from it through nose. Continuous upward and downward movement of diaphragm is necessary to bring about the breathing. Next part of this chapter, we will continue in part 2 video. Thank you, students.